Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One to step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now, on your interface, you can see at the bottom of your screen there are options like swipe, chat, activity, friends, and live. All you have to do is tap on user icon at the top right corner and select settings. Under settings, you have to go to safety and privacy. There you can see there is login methods at the end of the screen. Tap on it. Then once you select login methods, you have to select change password right below Apple ID. Tap on it. Then type in your current password. Make sure you type in a correct password and make no errors. Then you have to create a new password with 8 characters, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, 1 number, and 1 special character. Retype your new password and tap on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you reset your password in Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.